Hey guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell coins on Bybit. Okay, for example, I want to sell my doggy coins. So firstly, you can hover your mouse over assets at the top right and go to your unified trading account right here. And on this page you'll see all your coins. I have USDT, Ton, Doggy coin, and for example I want to sell this one. So click on trade right here, and now we need to go to the spot trading. And if you want to get USDT and sell your Doggy coins, you need to click here. And of course, you can get USDC, for example, but in my case, I'll select the first way. So let's click here. And now we are on the Doggy and USDT trading pair page. Okay, on the right side, you can see the window where you can easily buy and sell this coin. And to sell it, click right here, and just below select market to sell this coin for the best price. Okay, now you can just enter the amount right here, or drag this slider to the right. So if you want to sell all your doggy coins, move the slider as far to the right as possible. Okay, and now just click on sell doggy right here. So let's do it. Click on it, market sell. Here you can read more about this order, and after that confirm this order. Just click on sell doggy, and that's all. Now you can go back to your unified trading account, and here you'll see that I sold almost all of my doggy coins and got USDT for them. So this is how you can easily sell coins on Bybit. Hope this video was really helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, put a like under this video, and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.